What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to create a password generator. So to use password generator I need to import strings, and that is why we have this idle open right now, because I want to show you some of the functions that we are going to use. So one is string dot ASCII letters. So this is going to give me all the letters which would be from A to Z in lowercase and uppercase. The second one we are going to use is string dot digits, which will give you all the numbers from 0 to 9. And the third one we are going to use is called string dot punctuation, which will give you all these symbols that are available in string. And these are the three important things that we need to generate a random password. So let's go ahead and import strings, and I will have a variable which would be use this is equal to string dot ASCII letters. So there's also separate ones for uppercase and lowercase if you just want those, but we will use both. So let's call both of them. We'll also call string dot digits and also the punctuation. So now we have this. If I do a print use this, you will see all of those things in a single string, which is from A to Z in lowercase, in uppercase. Then we also have the digits and all the symbols that are available. What we need to do now is pick random letters or random numbers or random symbols from this string. And how are we going to do this? We have to pick up random things from this string, so it has to be random. So we are going to import random, and we are also going to use a new function random.choice. So if I do random.choice string dot digits, just because it is easier for me to type. Oh, so I spelled it wrong. So it will give me a random digit. And if I take this variable and I go to idle, define it, and I do use this, we will have this whole thing. Now, if I do random.choice and I put use this, it is going to randomly pick anything from this string. So if I do this, it's picking C. Now let me copy this and I will paste this, and you will see it is picking up random variables. We need to run this at least 10 to 16, because a normal password should always be more than 10 characters. So we are going to use random, and let's do from random import choice, and we will use what else, rand int. So we will go between 10 and 16. So what I'll do is for I in range, and here I'll put rand int and give 10 and 16. So it would go between 10 and 16, any random numbers. Sometimes it would take 12, sometimes it would take 13, sometimes it would take 15. It would take any number between 10 and 16. And I will first show you what is happening. So I will do choice of use this, and the reason I am doing choice is because I already have it imported. So if I did import random, then I have to write random.choice and random.randint. Since I imported these two functions from random, I can directly write this. So now I'm going to remove use this, because we already know it's a string of everything, and I am going to run this to show you that it is generating all these random strings. The only problem is it is coming one by one. It is not coming as a string. And for that, we need to put it in a variable. So I would put password is equal to an empty string, and whatever the password is, I am going to add it. So password is equal to password plus random choice. So the first time the password would be J, then it would be dollar. So it would add both of these, and then it would add 8. It would add each of these characters after each other, and it would generate the password. So I can go back here and do print password and also print length of password. So if I run this now, it is giving me a length of 16 and it is giving me a random password. And you can see this being generated over and over again. So that is it, guys. That is how you generate a random password. And I hope this was a fun program. I really like this because it's very short. Like, you have the password over here. So it's pretty short, 7 lines, and you're generating random passwords which are pretty powerful. So that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.